Happy 4th of July from Dragon Magnet Fishing. Today we are in the spot where I was recording last time. The only difference is this time I'm on the other side of the bridge. Last time I was over there. This time I'm over here. Looks a little muckier, but we're going to give her a shot. You guys have a great day. I'm going to get set up and we'll get some recordings. Talk to you soon. All right, first throw. Let's see if we get anything. I didn't really kick it out too far, so maybe not. Looks like that's just a rinse off throw. First time using the chest harness, so let me know if let me know if it's a good angle for you. I can kind of see it. Ooh, this side is definitely muckier and muddier. Look at all them bubbles if you see them. I think I caught something over there, but it felt like it popped off almost immediately. That or it's what's dragging and making the bubbles. Yeah, rust flakes. Get your milk. Wow, this side doesn't seem to have as much stuff as the first side did. On the other side, I had something almost every throw. Man, pinch hazard central. Oh no, that did it. And I got my magnet stuck under the bridge. Get around here and get it off. Oh wow. I know you guys are just seeing trees and stuff right now, but I really got her up under there. Look at that. It's stuck on the I-beam. I may have to go in for this one. And I forgot my water shoes. Wonder how deep this is. Oh, what was that? It was like I had it for a second. Oh, this is muddy and nasty. Cool. Oh, I just think like 2 feet. Oh, this water stinks. Okay, I'm in it now. Waist deep so far. Okay, a little more firmer in the middle here. Wow, I could just walk this. Look at that, right up under the lip. Well, let me get a little clearance and I'm going to give her a yank. Good thing GoPros are water resistant a little bit. And nothing but the bridge. Now, back through the muck and to my phone. Hey, where was that little spot anyway? Since I'm down here, if it's something heavy. Okay, it's right in here. Oh, it's definitely in the mud. I really wish I had my water shoes now. I'd just make a shorter rope. Oh, look at all that. Let's get this to the banks. Oh, I lost a lot of the wood. I still got the metal though. Look, there's little rubber feet on here. Must have been a little table or a chair or something. That's just a stick. All right, up we go. And let go of my keys. Well, thanks for coming on that journey. Let's see if I can get out of this one. Oh, man. Whew. I'm gonna need a shower after this for sure. Whew. Look at my new stickers. Don't get old. Or be smart enough to bring somebody younger and healthier than you with you. Okay, so battery died on the GoPro. So I'm gonna try my new little toy along with the new battery. This is a solar powered rechargeable power pack with the 20,000, what is it, kilowatts? Sorry, not electrician. There we go. Megahertz. Got it for like 20 bucks, Amazon. So yeah, I'm just gonna clip it to my pack here. Plug it in. Put the backup battery in the right here. No, I'm gonna put it in here that way I don't forget it by accident, because I'm old and forgetful. And we're gonna pick up where we left off. All right. Look at that nice, oh, I was gonna say nice solid connection, but alas. Roxy's. Oh no, more rocks. Oh, I missed it. Okay, it appears to be a good solid connection, but it's springy like rebar. Oh, what if it's like a rebar cross thing, and every time I free a section it bounces, and that's what feels like the fish hitting. Or I'm sliding up the side of the rebar and the ribs. Okay, I'll bet you that's what it is. We'll find out if I can get it out. Still trying. It's very, very big, whatever it is. So let's just bounce it and rock it, and came off of it. Okay, if I can't break it free this time, I'm gonna switch sides. Actually, if I don't break it free this time, I'm probably gonna go get my hook. Try that. If that don't get it, then I'm gonna switch sides. I'm gonna take these to the car and go grab my hook. All right, grab both my hooks, the little chinchy one and the bigger chinchy one. You know, so far they've done me pretty good. They helped pull up that shopping basket a couple videos ago. Also, guys, it never hurts to stay hydrated. And look, you can recycle. This is a half-gallon milk jar. I filled it up halfway with water, froze it overnight, filled it up with water the rest of the way today, and now I've got ice water to drink while I'm out here. If you can't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody, so take care of yourself, people. Oop, a little offside. Okay. Let's see. Well, maybe I'll need the bigger one. This does not have a lot of weight to it. Needs a little time to sink, it looks like. I'll just give that a few seconds. I may double hook that. It'll twice double up the weight. More than double up the weight. Wow, that big hook's so much heavier. And you're probably all looking at me like I'm an idiot. That's okay. It's a learning experience, and I'm just trying. Let's let her sink. I'm hoping double the hook, double the chance of catching whatever that is. All right, guys, sorry about that. Unfortunately, that's why I didn't make content last week, is my mom was in the hospital. She's in some severe pain in her abdominal, hip, and groin area. She really wanted to come out today, but sadly she's in too much pain, and I told her not to. Hey, I gotta stick with the hooks. Oh, piece of wood fell back in the water. Yeah, double hook thing's probably not working. So I'm gonna try one more throw with just the single big hook. Because, yeah, like I said, I'm a dummy. Nothing venture, nothing gain though, right? Oh, there went the little hook. How magnetic are these? Not at all. Maybe I'll catch it back, maybe I won't. Honestly, it was a little hook. So far it seems that additional battery pack is keeping that at 100. I've been going for a couple minutes here with it now. More than that, I'm sure. Hook. Wasn't able to get it back. No biggie. Nothing to cry about. It's a bummer because it was nice to have if I ever needed a backup hook. But then I'm going to come back to the other side where we start metaphorical gold catch wise. Talk to you guys soon. Keep getting your magnets wet.